So for your student-led notes on 2B Algebra Review, you're going to watch the videos in the playlist. However, you will take down notes of vocabulary and examples you do not remember from Algebra 1, okay? Your notes will be different than the person next to you. These are meant to be only 1 page worth of notes, okay? You can draw, sketch, whatever you need to remember down the major parts of Algebra 1. Afterwards, on page 50, you will see your notes and complete the algebra review practice, okay? So I can show you what we're doing. And switch to you as a student. Trying to get the home page to load. It's a student page. Okay, so what this is referring to on your homepage, you have our agenda. We just completed the do now. We're here where it says student-led notes. So I'm going to click on the student-led notes. In there, there is a playlist of videos. You're going to click on the ones that may sound interesting to you, may sound like something you don't remember or recall. It is about you, not everybody else. Okay. So you're going to click on the one that you think you may need help over, like solving for a variable. So solving for a variable, it talks about, okay, well, when you have this, what you're going to do. If it's as you're looking at it, writing it down, if it's something that you're looking at, you're like, oh yeah, I remember, but I need a little refresher, then you should be writing down. Most videos aren't very long. The first video is probably the longest, but again, it is just not meant for you to watch every single video. Okay. If you do feel like you need to watch every single video, the playlist will be here and you can go back and watch and refresh whatever you need to do from Algebra 1. Okay. Now, after you do this, then you're going to click next, and it's going to take you to the algebra assignment. Okay. You're going to show your work and complete the work on page 50. So in your notebook, on the left side should be your notes you created, and on the right side should be the work from your assignment. Does that make sense? Yeah. If your notebook is not updated, you need to be doing it on separate papers and then adding it later. That's perfectly fine as well. But hopefully your notebook is where it needs to be, and it makes sense that I'm saying 49 and 50. Okay. So yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing for roughly the next 30 to 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. So between the two. So as you're going through the videos, if you feel like, oh, there's not much I need to write down or things I understand, then write a couple problems down and then get started on the assignment. Okay. So for the next, let's say 30 minutes, we'll see where we're at, check in. But that's what you're going to be working on for now. Got it? That's why it's student-led, because it depends on what you feel like you may need. All right? Questions, comments, concerns? All right.